Bethan ydw i, dwi'n byw yn yr Wyddgrug a dwi newydd ddechrau busnes fy hun o'r enw berthnasol amser babi Cymraeg a'r bwriad ydy helpu teuluoedd sydd eisiau magu plant drwy gyfrwng Gymraeg ac helpu'r plant i fod yn ddwyieithog. Dwi wedi bod yn mynd i'r clwb yn Sir y Fflint ers rhai misoedd rwan a wedi cael help mawr yna. Da ni'n cael siaradwyr gwahanol i ddod ac maen nhw'n rhannu syniadau a rhoi cyngor i ni ynglyn â datblygu busnes newydd. Da ni hefyd yn cael cyfle i cyfarfod bobl eraill sy'n rhedeg busnesau hunain, felly cyfle i rhwydweithio a dod i nabod syniadau pobl eraill a just helpu'n gilydd a rhoi cyngor a cefnogi'n gilydd. Mae o wedi bod yn wych.
My name's Barry Evans and I'm the inventor of EvoLift. EvoLift is manual handling devices for the construction industry. It's a gold medal invention, winning a gold medal at the British Invention Show and in Geneva. It's a range of products for post lifters, gravel board lifters, slab lifters, and we've recently invented a product for lifting concrete troughs for network rail. Business enterprise, since joining 12 months ago, it's helped me gain my confidence in interacting with people, networking, making that right connection with new companies and confidence building. I'm full of praise of this club. It helps anyone in business. They could have the best invention in the world, but you've got to be able to build that confidence and try and run a company. And Enterprise Club has helped me gain that confidence.